you guys. My feet. Okay, let me take them off.
Like me, whatever you want. Anais is gonna drop me off at Nini's house. Yo, hey, stop being nasty, Leslie. Y'all see me?
Guys, please wait up.
Yeah. Go. Yes. Ready? Okay, show yours.
Very cutesy.
Goodwill.
Oh, right. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at her tattoo. Show your tattoo off. They haven't seen it for Halloween. Yep. Our toes. Ooh, that's a little ugly. I didn't record yet. Show yourself. Show yourself.
The house is over there. That's where there is.
You're right.
Maybe I should put my shoes on. I feel like we just robbed somebody. And they get a
Oh my god, where the hell are we going? Okay guys, my camera's kind of bad because it's night. Ew, why is it moving like that? It's nighttime, but we are back in Oakland and we are about to go to Wingstop. She has to use the bathroom really bad. She's like going through it. But we're waiting for the bus. It should be 2 minutes away now. You said 4 minutes, like 4 minutes ago.
6 minutes, bitch.
Cool, 6 minutes away. This camera quality is not good. If you beg, like you have to jump in down and be like, please, like I've been waiting a long time.
I applied there, so basically I'm an employee. You guys just didn't hire me.
I applied there too. They obviously didn't need workers.
So why do you have a hiring sign?
I don't know. I put my pants back on because it's nighttime. I can't. Big booty, big booty, big booty, big. Oh, hey, what are you looking at? If people keep looking at us in the cars, if you're not giving us a ride, please go on with your life. Like we're shivering, we need to pee, we're hungry. If you're not willing to provide, please continue to go on with your day. See?
He just minded his
Please.
business.
Oh, he minded. Okay. What about you? Are you minding yours? Okay. I'm really hungry. I only had breakfast today, and then those Takis, and then the ice cream.
I haven't eaten anything at all.
Oh, okay. Okay guys, I never probably made an outro that day, but I did have lots of fun. I barely took pictures, which I'm very upset about, but I will enter some pictures if I didn't for this clip. But that was lots of fun, and I really want to go back, and I want to go to Japantown because I've always wanted to go over there. But oh my gosh, there's a spider web in here. No more. Every time I come on here, my eyebrows are thinner. It's crazy. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, cupcakes.